How to transfer Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. First, launch your Phantom Wallet on app or browser extension. Click Receive, select Solana, and copy your wallet address. Log into your Kraken, sign into your Kraken account via the app or website. Then, in your Kraken dashboard, click on Funding or Transfer. Then select Withdraw. Choose Solana as the cryptocurrency to withdraw. Then paste your copied Solana SOL address into the withdrawal field. Double check the address for accuracy. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Then specify the amount of SOL you want to send. Consider sending a small test amount first to ensure everything works. Then review all details, confirming the transaction and complete any security verification steps required by Kraken, such as email or two-step verification confirmation. Your SOL should appear in your Phantom Wallet within a few minutes depending on your network congestion. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like.